The WMS dashboard provides a real-time snapshot of warehouse operations, tracking inventory levels and live transaction logs. The Operation Overview chart tells us exactly how much we are receiving versus picking, while our Recent Activities log gives us a live heartbeat of every action happening on the warehouse floor. Under Master Data, we set up our SKUs, dimensions, and weights. We map our physical warehouse, aisles, racks, and bins, so the system knows exactly each item, and we register our supplier and customer partners to ensure system-wide data accuracy. The inbound process ensures accuracy from the dock. Receiving verifies physical stock against orders, while putaway directs goods to the optimal bin to maximize storage efficiency. The stock management provides full visibility of items on the shelf. This allows for real-time tracking of inventory levels, internal movements, and stock status across the warehouse. For fulfillment, the outbound module organizes picking tasks. The system optimizes pick paths to reduce travel time and ensures accurate order processing before shipment. Reports transform operations into insights. We monitor inventory summary, movement, and low stock alerts to maintain optimal levels, while the supplier parts report helps manage procurement and item mapping. Finally, every action taken is instantly reflected back on the dashboard, turning daily warehouse movements into actionable business data.